Serious Mindset. Snapback. Stay tuned. The door don't even. Oh, bruh. You gotta be kidding me. Really? Why so serious?
High school.
Her room look more better than her mama's. And I'm giving y'all this insight because this is what everybody talk about owning property or whatnot. This is what you got to go through when you get a bad tenant. Now this is a. Oh look, a printer. You want a printer?
I do not.
Oh, she left a nasty mattress. Ew, man, look. She left some crutches, bruh.
What's so serious? Let's get it, man. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Describe now. Let's get it, man. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious. Lanes. Serious.
Why so serious? What's going on, Serious Nation? It's your guy, Serious Mindset, and we are back with another video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you as well. Shout out to my veterans. Shout out to those that are currently serving right now. Thank you for your service. You can see this is not a truck vlog, nor is a car vlog. I just want y'all to know, entrepreneur and a whole bunch of things. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix and match everything. So you see the title, yes. From the pictures and everything, I'm gonna show y'all the bad as far as having an actual bad tenant. I had two tenants before. One was good. This second one was bad. So this is gonna be like my actual. You guys gonna see everything. So I have my lovely wife as well that don't want to be on camera. Come on, babe, give me my gloves. So I'm gonna show y'all the real, the grimy. And we're gonna go a little bit in the story probably in the next video. Can you help me out? You gotta help me out, baby. Okay, you know what? Just hold the camera. Just hold the camera. Just hold the camera for me, please. So beautiful. No, happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to those. This is a late video, but you know, what you got, a small? All right, where the key at? This lady is disgusting, by the way. Very much disgusting. So we gonna go ahead and open the door. Man, look at this. So this is a real wood mahogany. Is it mahogany? I forgot. Which means that this door needs to be oiled. You can see at the top. So I'm just going around looking at the property because the lady just left. Oh Lord. And then we gotta change the locks too. Ooh. Oh, it's stinking here. Lord have mercy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that floor. Look at that floor. Why'd you lock the door? Did you lock the door?
I did not lock the door.
Oh, I thought you locked the door.
You can catch the feeling.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back up there. Y'all look at this. This is laminate flooring. This was a brand new floor. You see I got gloves on because this lady is nasty. My wife already showed me pictures, but this lady is nasty. So you can see the flooring is all peeled up. In all honesty, I had a wall mount that she took off. She stole my wall mount, man. Like, how can you do that? So I actually made this deal right here. And yeah, this gotta be, either repaint it or whatnot. So I think I'm gonna keep this, and then let's see if the lights still work. Do you think the lights still work? No? Oh, okay. The lights don't work. Oh, they don't. Okay. So, look, she left this house a mess. Look at this. Let's go outside. Show y'all all this. Look at the door, man. Just nasty, nasty, disgusting. Look at this. This is a brand new house. This lady. Oh man. Oh man. The lights are still on?
They are not.
What light is that? Is that a light in there?
No, that's just the light from the...
Yep. Of course, she left all her junk in here. Oh, look, a printer. You want a printer?
I do not.
Oh, she left a nasty mattress? Ew, man, look. She left some crutches, bruh. Some crutches, bruh? Wow. Some crutches, bruh.
You got a maxi pad down there.
Nasty. Nasty. Left a printer. This is actually the dryer that actually comes with the property. Coincidentally, when she got in the property, she said that, oh, it doesn't work. And I told my wife, I said, wifey, we had another tenant before. We had no issues. Now all of a sudden, it's an issue when she got here. It was just so much. She just left so much. Look, the lady left her shoe. Look. If y'all living in somebody's house and y'all rent it out and y'all are living foul, y'all need to be ashamed of yourself. Y'all need to be ashamed of yourself. This is the landlord stuff. I'm giving y'all the real, like.
Hey, you got the chicken strip and the french fries. Look.
Man, look at this, man. Look, she left some hot sauce. Look at this, man. Just disgusting. Like, that just lets me know that people don't respect people's property. And what me and my wife is gonna do, we're gonna put a fee on the next tenant. So if you leave anything, your deposit will, look, this is a lesson learned. You won't get anything back. Look at this.
Oh, that's water sitting in here.
She got water sitting in there?
Water sitting in here.
Man, this is, man, this lady, oh my God. Let me open this garage up though. This lady was nasty. Lady left food in here. See, man, look at this. This house, by any means, is not a house where it was, look at this. So baseboard, the actual, I forgot what the name of it is, but we're gonna have to retake all those off. I think I might replace the lighting, just light bulbs. Mirror can stay. Mirror looks like it's in good condition. Man, just a whole bunch of stuff. Lady left food in here, man. That's disgusting. As usual, didn't even clean out the oven. What are you doing? Nah, you don't want to use the bathroom here. You're gonna have to wait. Look, handle broke. These are handles that I put in. Of course, this is gonna have to be replaced. The lady left what? Oh man, broke the garbage disposal. This wood gonna have to be replaced. Y'all can see that. Man, this lady, oh. So you end up with individuals that's like, man, yeah, I'm this, I'm that. People be living this whole front on social media, but live like scums. Yeah, I said it, scums, because this is, look at this, man. This is nasty. And then I told her to replace the filter when I came over to fix something, and then look how black that is. I'm pretty sure that is a nasty filter. Matter of fact, we gonna look at this. Look how black that is. Golly. Now y'all wonder why I got on gloves. Upstairs smell like smell like piss. Don't worry, carpet gotta be oh. This lady live nasty. You nasty. Nasty. Yeah, look, I'm just being honest with you. What's so serious? Make sure you shop at SeriousMindset. Y'all see it right there. A SeriousMindset apparel. Just nasty. Just nasty. This house smell like piss. Look at that. Look, this is the master suite, y'all. I'm showing y'all the master suite. This is the master suite. This is the master suite right here. Yeah, we got a lot of fixing to do. Let me see what you got in the closet, bro. Anything in the closet? Closet is probably the only thing that looks decent. Look at the, like the kids kept their room up better than their mom. Where you do that at? I think this was a little girl, not a little girl by any means, more so like she had 2 kids. She had a son, she had a daughter. The daughter,
like 17, just graduated high school.
Her room looked more better than her mama's. And I'm giving y'all this insight because this is what everybody talk about owning property or whatnot. This is what you got to go through when you get a bad tenant. Now this was the son's room. Oh, he broke the blinds, huh? Just nasty. The screen came out, bruh. Bruh, the screen, bruh. The screen, bruh. My screen. Yeah, this is a boy's room. Man, when I tell y'all, I had a tenant before. It was a guy. He had his girlfriend, his baby mama, and then he had his daughter. Kept this house up so clean. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up taking up the carpet. So the carpet will be pulled up. We got to redo the carpet. I mean, the carpet is gone. We're just not going to put in no carpet no more. Look at this. Look at this. The drawers is gone, y'all. The drawers is gone. The drawers is gone. Look at this. Bro, what? No respect. You left a thing in the... You know what? Okay. Look at this. Look at this, y'all.
We gotta laugh about these kind of things. We gon' get it back right. We gon' get it back right.
My wife, she don't even sound like she's confident about it. You know when people be talking fake? That's what my wife doing right now, talking fake. Look at this, y'all. My wife sounds so fake. You just gotta. I'm gonna call you out. Look at this. Y'all see this? So I don't want to go up there. But y'all can see this right here. So I don't know what's going on right there. So I have a ceiling deal. So we want to make sure that there's no fungus or whatever, or fungi. So we want to make sure that we just make sure there's no bacteria in there. And then, so you see hole 1, and then I didn't show y'all hole 2. So I got another one right here. And this lady had the nerve to talk about a deposit. And then, of course, we got a hole right there. So I'm just giving y'all the good and bad as far as owning property. What is this? Is that a roach? Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? The lady.
Up right there? It looks like we got a water stain up there. You see that up there?
Oh, yep. So, yeah, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make sure. Yeah. Remember, she smoked too. You know, when you smoke, it kind of looks like it's water, but it's like that's smoke. So this is the bad of owning real estate. Going in after you kept up the property. This was our first property. Bought it brand new. We made sure. Now, I'm going to tell y'all this. What we didn't do is, or what I didn't do because I made the choice, was she gave this sob story. And No more sob stories. No more. Oh yeah, well I can't. Just nasty. I'm so disgusted. I don't even know why I'm resting my elbow right there. This is so nasty. This is just nasty. Look at this, man. Tour up the whole floor. So the whole floor has to be redone. Tile is good. Tile is just one of those things where you can actually live with. So a deep clean on the tile. Cabinetry is somewhat good other than right here. So that's gonna have to be replaced. Washer, that's okay. Dryer, let me see, microwave. Whoa, surprisingly, microwave is probably the cleanest thing in the house. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Cabinets actually look decent on the inside. Look at this. I don't even want to open the refrigerator. That's so disgusting. Man, look at this. Lady messed up. This is a brand new, y'all. Brand new. So, this is the good and bad. I want to show y'all this because this is my first time coming back to the property after the tenant left. My wife was already here, so she already showed me pictures, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more pictures as well. But you know, I'm upset about it, but at the end of the day, it just blows my mind how people out here in this world put their lifestyle on social media like they're living this life or whatnot, and they live like rats, they live like rodents. And I'm saying it, and if she's watching it, I hope she's watching, because you're disgusting. You should be embarrassed as a woman, as a mother as well, because you destroyed my property. Now I have to go out and fix this based on everything that you told me and things like that. So needless to say, if you're watching this based off trying to see what goes on when you have a tenant that trashes your house, this is what happened. So look, the lady she left a freaking nasty mattress. Look how dirty this mattress is. That is disgusting. And you know who has to pay? I have to pay to get this thing removed. So this is what it is. Now mind you, it's not something where I bought it from somebody and this is a fix and flip. This is not a fix and flip. It's more so of, I put this in the house as well. I built this in the house. She left crutches. She left man, what kind of mess is this? Bruh. Look at, bruh. Lady left. What the hell? Man, what the? Starting to get frustrated, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clear this video. I wanted to show this video because, again, it's more than just the box truck. It's more just the car content. It's all about business, right? So the whole point is real estate. So these are the good, the bad that I want to show y'all. Y'all get a chance to see me just like get mad because I'm like, man, how can you do that to somebody's house? If y'all living foul and y'all watching this video, y'all nasty. Y'all nasty. I need a reality check. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and go because it's Mother's Day and I need to go visit family. But at the end of the day, I appreciate everybody that's been watching. Stay tuned to see the before and after of this madness, right? So this is literally madness right here. I don't even know what to say. So stay tuned, stay motivated. Shop SM Apparel. I need all that. Shop smapparel.net. Get you a nice Serious Mindset shirt with a nice quality Serious Mindset snapback. Stay tuned. The door don't even. Oh, bruh. You gotta be kidding me. Really? Why so serious?
Let's get it, man.